Drip Network community, you guys are migrating over to Elephant Money. Big thumbs up to you guys. And in this video, for those of you that are just sitting on the fence, wondering about Elephant Money like I was at first, hey, I'm about to share with you some key things that might help you switch over, being the community, the simplicity of it, the growth of Elephant Money, the innovation, the quick return on investment, and how it cannot be leached. It cannot be exploited like Ray exploited the Drip Network. Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? In this video, I named the title Drip Network to Elephant Money for a reason. And that's because quite a few of you guys, particularly some of you that are following my channel, are migrating from the Drip Network and from Forex Shark's protocols into Elephant Money. Kudos to you guys, and the feedback I'm getting from you is quite positive. People are being happy about it, but this video is for those of you guys that are on the fence, for those of you guys that think Elephant Money might be too complicated for you. This video is to help simplify some things, to clarify some things, and to let you guys know that this is a much better investment opportunity than Drip, than Animal Farm, than Forex Shark's DAO, anything that he's dropped. This is much greater. And I'm going to go through a few things. Like I say, if you're on the fence, maybe this will be the turning table to help you. I had to dig in and find out what's going on behind the scenes. But once I did, I was convinced. Now I'm just going to share some basic information because I want to present it to you guys in layman's terms to help you feel comfortable with it and to get into it very slowly, easily, but start making money immediately. Okay, so I called it Drip Network to Elephant Money. The first thing we're going to talk about is the community. So I'm sharing with you guys when, even before I joined Elephant Money, I had posted some videos because some of my viewers were like, hey, what about Elephant Money? What do you think about it? And I didn't like it at first. The feedback I received from existing Elephant Money community members was very positive. No one came at me calling me a fudder or a hater or what do you call it, a meth head. None of these guys did that. They just came, dropped a little bit of information, shared some videos with me and said, hey, you're wrong about this. Look into it closer. Okay, so typically this is the type of community I've built through my channel. As long as you come into my space with respect, you're going to receive respect. And you're going to be able to vibe and communicate with other members on my videos, right? But the existence of the Elephant Money community, I mean, they are huge. And it's like everybody is there to help out everybody else. So this is truly a community that I vibe with, that vibes with me. And they, even when I got in, I mean, they just welcomed me with open arms. And I guarantee you guys, you know, if community is your thing and you want to join a community that's backing a real solid investment protocol, Elephant Money is the answer. Okay. And I have this video here open just to show you guys an example, right? I mean, you can come out here if you want to. It's called Drip Network, the chart screen, look in the Elephant Money, and just look through some of the comments. And Brian and I chatted about some things before, and he had some questions that I addressed, but yet another member from Elephant Money comes to chime in to help out. This is the type of community we're dealing with. You know, SK Crypto, he comes out, says, hey, great job. You know, this is the type of community. People that are converting over from Drip, people that are coming from anywhere. Anytime you post some comments, you're getting praise and feedback, and then you get that excitement of really being part of a successful community where members are actually looking out for each other and not trying to screw each other over, not name calling or bashing or anything like that. So, if, like I say, if community is your thing, look to Elephant Money. The second thing about the community, you can always come out to Elephant Money, and not just on my channel, just a few of them come out to my channel. But if you want larger exposure to the community, come out to Elephant Money, scroll down to the bottom. They have the Telegram, YouTube, Medium articles, Twitter, Discord, all this type of stuff. Just click on the link, go out there, interact with them, ask questions, and it is what it is. All right, this segue leads me into the simplicity of Elephant Money. Now, I dropped a video after I joined, just to show you guys how simple it is. But again, if you come out to their YouTube channel, the Elephant Money YouTube channel, they initially have an academy with a list of videos of how to do this, how to do that. And the one thing I encourage you guys when you're just coming into Elephant Money is to, let's go over one. There's a video called How to Buy Elephant Token on Binance Smart Chain. If you have any questions about it, this would be the place to come. Because if you just go out there, most of you guys in Drip, it's going to be a no-brainer for you anyway. But if you're new to the DeFi space, come out here, check out this video. The site itself is intuitive when it comes to just coming in and purchasing Elephant tokens. This video will step you through it. Now, note that this video is about a year old, so there have been some updates to the website, and you can access, if I go here, in this video here that I posted, Drip Network, Forex Shark is king of the slow rug. Watch out for Bank Teller and Elephant Money. If you come here and start at like the 45-minute, 30-second mark, this is me going through the process of purchasing Elephant. You'll see just how quick and simple it is. And like even in this video, right, it's only 2 minutes. This is only a 2-minute video. If you come to this video here, it takes just about the same time if you actually do it, but I kind of talk through it because there have been updates to it since this website here, or this video here, was launched. So the simplicity is there. However, there are additional protocols within Elephant Money. There are just so many ways to make money, guys, but they get more complex. So that's why I say, hey, just jump in first, because it's all about Elephant. You want to build up your position in Elephant, and trust me, once you jump in and purchase some Elephant, they're going to be sitting in your wallet, and you're going to immediately start earning and benefiting from the ecosystem. All right, the next thing I want to talk about is the growth of Elephant Money. Numbers don't lie, people, and one of the things I like to do is look back in history. And back, let's see, this was a video that posted 7 months ago. Elephant Money AMA. All right, so cult called Drip with Bank Teller. If you guys can go out here, do a search on that, this video come up, you'll see it's 7 months old. Now, check out the beauty of this. We're able to see some of the stats with Elephant Money that existed 7 months ago. Let's fast forward to today, 7 months later. And I'm going to open up the Elephant website and check out the stats today. And let's compare. This thing is growing and will continue to grow, people, in so many ways, so many ways. And I don't want you guys to miss out on it. Look, it had a market cap of 113 million in BUSD 7 months ago. That is what, quadrupled. We're now at close to 5 million in market cap. The Elephant treasury has increased from, what's that, 12 million people. Look at that number. We had 12 million, and now it's at 86 million over the course of 7 months. The price of elephant has increased threefold, going from 11 cents per million to close to 50 cents per million. All right. The liquidity has increased, has doubled from 43 million here. Currently, it's 85 million. And these numbers are just going to continue to rise, to rise, to rise. Talking about the Trump token with the peg, we are rapidly approaching. If you're going to go from 12 million to 86 million in 7 months, it's just going to escalate that much faster. And we're going to hit that 250 million. Everything's going to be back at peg. And I have some more information for you guys in future videos. But right now, I just want to stick to the simplicity and the growth. And you guys can look into the graveyard. It may have hit that 51% and bounced since then, 7 months ago, but we're right back on track to where it's going toward that 51% again. If you're not aware of that right now, don't worry about it. All you have to focus on right now is purchasing some elephant tokens and leaving them in your wallet. I'm just showing you this to show you that there is significant growth in elephant money. All right. And I've shown you the charts before. You can go out there and look at them yourself. No need to waste time on it. But the charts are off the chain. Okay. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is innovation. So I just showed you guys an example here where in this video here, this was a year old. There have been updates since then, which are updated here, where if you actually watch this video, you'll see that back then there was a 10% tax, whether you did it on the native DEX here or on PancakeSwap, right? Now, here today, if you do it on the native DEX, you get a 1.5% discount. Okay, I'm going to open that up here. And let's say if I wanted to come in and buy something, buy my elephant, I now get a 1.5% discount. Now, how do you guys think they came about this? And I haven't talked to Bank Teller or anybody else about it, but I speculate, I assume that Bank Teller was smart enough to set up some arbitrage bots, right, to arbitrage between the native DEX and what's on PancakeSwap. This is just me guessing. And because he's making a profit off of that, he's passing that profit on to us as users in the form of this discount, right? When has Forex Shark ever done that for his community? He's probably doing things like that and keeping the money in his pocket. But if we noticed, it's always been a slow drain of our capital from his ecosystems, right? This is not the case, all right? This is what I mean by innovation. Since this time, what the farms have come out, the trumpet, all these type of new innovations have been released, and they're working solid and producing returns. Some of them are sleeping right now. They're sleeping giants, but we'll talk about those later. Right now, simplicity. Another thing I want to share with you guys is the quick return on investment. Okay. Now, understand, coming from the world of drip, we know that once you put that money in, it's gone. And it's going to take you quite a bit of time, taking out 1% a day to recoup your investment, especially when the price is going down. Well, in the realm of elephant money, the price is always going up because of the mechanics, because of birth of the whale, and all these other activities that are going on, right? But in ROIing, getting your return on investment here, you are looking at, and I showed you in a previous example, a wallet. When I first started on the 16th, I showed you guys in a previous video, I'm going to refer back to it here, that I dumped in $1,000 at the time. Okay. We are now the 25th. We're 9 days later. Okay. That was the value. Now I have put in more. I put in another 1,000 on the 21st. I put in another BNB on the 22nd. And even this morning, you know, when I saw this percentage lower than the other percentages, I'm like, well, I'll throw another BNB in there. So I have a total of $2,470 in value that I purchased on this particular wallet, right? The current value is now above that, right? So, but again, I look at the post withdrawal because you still have that 8.5 to 10% coming out. So this is the value that I need to match with this value before I'm actually getting a return on investment. And what that's going to take me, earning 29, maybe $20 a day on average. Now this is a low day here, probably more like 50, but it'll take me another day or two before, if I pulled out, I'll get my full investment back. But that's when the money really starts being made. And just to show you guys, you know, I'm not just in it to get any referral rewards or anything like that. This is actually to help you guys in the community, and even those that have never heard of drip or elephant money before. This is a game changer. And I do put my money where my mouth is, right? In this particular wallet here, I have several wallets. You know, this is my play wallet where I'm testing things out. I'm placing money there. I may start extracting some things just to test out different aspects of the system. And I've even started getting into Trump and Trumpet and things like that as well. But in this wallet, you know, this is I just purchased some. I let it sit on it for a few months just to see how it rides. And notice, you know, at this point, the value on the 16th was about 14,000, right? Currently, right, 9 days later, we're on the 25th, you know, it's sitting at 15.3. It's bringing in no less than 160. The lowest date was like $161, right? So it's bringing in hundreds of dollars a day up until I recoup that investment after withdrawal here. So I still have another couple days before I'm above that 14,387. But once that's done, I'm in the green, baby. I'm in the green. So unlike drip, when you're dealing with elephant money, you are getting a quick return on investment. And guess what? Those funds are not locked up, people, right? If I come and show you this wallet, I don't have to do anything on elephant money. I could just come out here to that wallet, click on it, go to my elephant tokens, and I can either swap it here, or I can go to Pancake Swap, or I can just come here, click on sell, put in the amount that I want to sell, click the sell button, and bam, pay the 8.5%, and I'm done. You know, I've made my money, right? This is the simplicity of elephant money. And trust me, people, once you get into elephant and start seeing how things work, you are going to start enjoying looking into the other protocols that are listed here. So that what I'm talking about now is elephant, but you have the futures, you have the NFTs, you have the Trumpet, Stampede, Farms. It's plenty of ways. Just like we thought Forex Shark was really doing something with Animal Farm, having all these different ways. No, he's getting these ideas from elephant money. Trust me, people. When you see this and you go back to Forex Shark's Animal Farm and what he's trying to do with drip now, he's getting the ideas from here. So this is where the true innovation lies. This is where the growth lies. This is where the community lies. All right. And one other thing that I just had to put out there, that I put in the title, is that it's Ray proof. There's nobody coming out here that can leech the system, right? First and foremost, when you come out or when you go to the partners, network and all this type of stuff, you can sign up and you can change your partner at any given time just by putting the address in and updating. Okay. Secondly, guess what? Your partner is only going to receive, when you come in to buy, they're only going to receive 0.5% of whatever it is you deposit. It's not a continual hydration and inflation like it is in the drip network. So this is why I say, people, this concept is nothing like drip. Forget everything you know about drip or about how DeFi should work and look into this with a whole new pair of glasses on. Forget everything you know or you think you heard about bank teller. And even if you think he's burned you in the past, look at the history, check out the charts, see where things are going now, because nobody is perfect. Show me, in the sense, particularly when you're talking about development. You can develop, you can test, you can test, you can test. And if someone in the process either implemented an open door for an exploit or discovered it, we've even had that in Bitcoin Cash quite often, and even in Bitcoin itself, where someone didn't expose it to the community, but gave it to the developers so that it could be fixed, right? So no software is 100% 100% of the time. Okay, that's just a fact. But the fact that bank teller stuck in here, completed the exploits, and continue to build on a system so beautifully, that look at this chart, people, and trust it will continue to rise. So the final thing I want to say is that when it comes to elephant money, time is money. The sooner you get in, the sooner you can recoup your investment within maybe 9, 10, 11 days, right? And then you can start making money. I'm putting money in it because I have quite a bit of money that I lost with Forex Shark. So I'm looking to recoup my investment. So I'm dumping money from this wallet and this wallet and that wallet. So I plan to recoup everything in less than a year's time. And I'm talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars that I lost with Forex Shark. Okay. So you guys check it out. If you have any questions, like I say, post them in the comments. If I'm going to reply, give me time, because I have quite a bit to go through and I have other things to do. But you're going to find that other community members are going to chime in, help you out as well. So please feel free to vibe with any and everybody in the channel, or go down to their socials, whether it be on Twitter or YouTube, or whatever the case is, and you have a good conversation, educate yourselves, and grow with the herd. Hey, I look forward to welcoming you guys. Start making some money. Exit out of all Forex Shark's protocols. You've seen what he's done in the past. He's extracted money both out of Animal Farm and the Drip Network, and we're left holding a bag of rocks that are worthless. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this one, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.